Yes, my people, wagwan, wagwan, wagwan. You don't know say artist this again, you understand? Yeah, man. And right now we come for just deal with some little issues. Some little, some simple little matter. Have it as simple little matters. Because then little creature here can't really do much to the movements we are going right now. You see me? Them is just like a little ants or something like that. You see me? A little cockroach, I would say, Ants can't really bite, but a little cockroach. See? So, I'll start out the video here by big up the whole bounty killer blogger them. You understand? Big up the whole bounty killer blogger them. You understand? Saying that we're saying this. Me hear Skluba say something the other day. You understand? Skluba say the fish did want an easy ride for this bounty killer. You understand? Me want constantly at this bounty killer. That's why I see him attack the blogger them. Me want an easy ride for this bounty. You understand? But I'm me, artist. I'm me are the first jump out and start blast this creature. You understand? For the first time him say, hey, about bounty killer on the internet. And me start the movements. And start putting him in place, and then others follow. So big up all of the youth them. They're on the movements right now. We have vlog and a different bounty killer. Yeah, but I me start the movements really. Say that to say this, my people. Me this boy attack bounty killer, bloggers them. Attack one bag of rubbish. You understand, boy? Man no buy album man, rare, and I talk about him purchase copy. That him saying purchase bounty killer. Time bomb. Which, me not dispute that. Him probably purchase it for true. But, my people, right now, a 3 artist drop project. You understand? Bounty Killer drop project. Buju Banton drop project. Beenie Man drop project. I don't hear this creature come out and talk about Buju Banton album. You don't hear me talk about Beenie Man album. So why a Ungo Bounty Killer project him come a debate about? Me not hear my cuss Beenie Man fans them and Beenie Man blogger them and Buju Banton fans and blogger them. I just bounty killer. So this boy a clearly have a problem with bounty. But as me I tell people, at the visa bad him. Him never know bounty killer would get back in visa. You understand? So him come now within double tongue, come attack. And him how much 20,000, around 15 knickers him have on a wear. Peter King boy, You see me? So them boy and the pants like we. Them boy they wear knickers. Them boy they are fishers. You understand?